Alright, and here we go. Here we are with the hardest part of this project, which is to figure out where to put the piezo buzzer. Now, on the instruction manual, which it'd be nice if they told you about all this before installing it, it tells you basically that you need to check out what's going on the board underneath and to install it on the ground and the A1 pins. But obviously, now that we've put the hat on, or the feather on top, whatever you want to call it, I'm not sure what the cool kids call those things. But now you can't see in there, and I'm not gonna be like taking this off just to figure that out, and that's really quite a bit of a problem. So what I'm going to try to do is, I'm gonna have to kind of guess where it should go, and then hopefully it'll work, but there's no guarantees at this point. It's really hard to get this thing out. I don't know why they taped it this way. Worst thing is I don't want to break the pins here. I don't want to break these. You know what, I'm going to end up having to use scissors to do this. Something's got to give. Okay. Yeah, once you cut it with scissors, it's kind of better, but still. Sometimes I really don't know. Manufacturers come up with these things. You see, now it's so easy to bend these things awkwardly. Like, why would anybody do this? This is really dumb. It's stuck on so well that it just won't come out. See that? I'm wasting so much time trying to get this off. And I bet you, because I already bent them a little bit, that somebody who's not really careful will bend them to a point where you won't be able to use these anymore. But anyway, I think, based on the drawing or the picture, that we should go 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And on number 4, let's just follow that down to the pins here. It should be like so. There's no guarantee this is correct. And it's probably not correct, but we're gonna hope that it works. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, and of course it skips one, so that'll be pins 1 on the ground and 1 on A1. Hopefully that solves that problem, but we'll find out once we turn the machine on and see how it works. Now, as we talked about before, you can't really turn it on now because the mechanism is hidden in there. I have to remember which one is on. I think it's this one here. Seriously, Adafruit people. Maybe it was not such a good idea to put those little things in there. Makes it harder to turn this on now. But I believe that it is on. I was able to move that little thing in position, and there we go. We have liftoff, or whatever you want to call it. The light went on there. I think you have to download an app either on your phone or on your computer to get the rest to start. But yeah, at least we have the light on, so that's good. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.